Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some air fryer French fries. Needless to say, these are a healthier version and there's so many ways to making them, and I'm going to show you one of the best ways that I enjoy my tasty air fryer fries. Let's jump right into the recipe. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Bena. Thank you so much for watching. Please do take a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week. Thank you so much. My potatoes right here. I'm going to start peeling off my potatoes, and I also have in here a bowl of water. I just added some salt in there. The salt is also going to help draw some water from the potatoes as well, so that's why I added some salt in the cold water. So I'm just going to use my potato peeler and I just peel off my potatoes. You can also make your fries with the skin on, that's up to you, but I'm just going to peel off the skin from my potatoes, and I'll leave it in the water. Proceed to peel the rest of the potatoes. So our potatoes have been peeled, and the next step, I'm just going to proceed or clean up, and then we'll proceed to cut up our potatoes into the French fries shapes. I'm going to start cutting up our potatoes. Now, if you have any potato cutter or any potato slicer or any French fries or any mandolin, you can use it, but I am going to use my knife. You just want to make sure that the curd is even so that they can cook evenly as well, just like so. I'll put it back in the bowl of water. So we are done. The color of the water, how it has changed, it is now really murky. The reason is because of the salt that we added in there. The salt really helps to extract more starch and more water from our potatoes, which is really going to help a lot with the crispness. I'm just going to let them in here for another 10 minutes and I'll show you the next step. So right now I'm going to transfer our potatoes in here. I'm not going to wash our potatoes just yet. And I'm going to sprinkle more salt on top of our potatoes. Again, this is still going to help extract more water from our potatoes. I'll actually transfer it in this bowl right here, so it's easy for me to work with. I'll let this sit for about 10 minutes and I'll show you the next step. Minutes later, and you can see more water has been extracted from our potatoes. I'm just going to transfer them in a colander one more time, and I'll give them a really cold rinse. And it's also important that while this process, just make sure that your potatoes don't change the color, because sometimes your potatoes can start to darken. You can even leave it in the fridge, but just watch them and make sure that it doesn't change the color. So I'll just rinse them properly in there. Then that's good. Move to the next step. Cloth right here. I'm just going to transfer our potatoes in there. You can also use paper towel or whatever, just to make sure that you dry the water properly, because we don't want any moisture left on our potatoes. I'm just going to dry them up properly with this cloth. So our potatoes have been dried properly, and I just sprinkled my air fryer basket with some avocado oil. You can do any oil that you prefer. And next, I'm just going to transfer our fries in the air fryer basket. And at this point, you also want to make sure that you don't overcrowd your basket, because if you overcrowd your basket, you may not get the results you're looking for. Should be good like this. And I'm going to go in and spray it with more oil. I'm not going to put any salt. Put them in the air fryer. I'll do this on 3. I'm going to start on 370 for 20 minutes. We are going to check 10 minutes through cooking and see how they are looking. Later, we are going to check on our fries. Just see how they are doing. This is how they're doing. I'm just going to go in with my silicone spoon and just shred them around like that, and I'll pop them back in for the remainder of the 10 minutes, and we'll see how they look like 10 minutes later. So our fries have been cooked properly. They're ready. We are looking to crisp them up right now, so I'm just going to toss them back in, and I'll increase the heat. I'll do 400 for 5 more minutes. And we should be good. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Our fries are ready and they taste so good. Now notice I didn't add any extra salt. That's because the process of putting in the salt to extract the water actually lets the salt penetrate into the potatoes, and it tastes so good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you get to try this method out. You will love it, I promise you. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. Share also with your friends and family. And until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please stay healthy, be well. Thank you. Bye.